So a little quick update on this Veloster, and Hyundai did approve the engine, so they basically want to get the car back up and running. So I'll be doing the engine probably next week. I'll be getting it in, getting it torn down, and continue to get it through the shop, get it back on the road. So they decided to approve the engine. They decided because of COVID not to send out a technician to actually come in, deal with the car. So the customer got lucky, but it'll be on the road again. He'll probably blow it up in another 15,000 miles. But just a little quick update video. So this 2013 Sonata, putting in a brand new lung block, about to be pulling it out, as well as a few other concerns. So Hyundai made me go through the workaround to get it approved. They wanted to do a leak down test and compression test, cylinder balance test. So basically it's cylinder 1 is the bad cylinder on this vehicle. It was running 120 for the compression. Leak down had 30% leak down. And basically on a cylinder balance test, it's where you move coils or unplug coils to see where the noise stops. It was 1 and 2. Cylinder 1 and 2 is where the knocking noise was. So you'd be pulling this motor right now and removing the Freon. So yeah, I'll keep you updated while my day is going on this. It pays 6.5 hours now to replace the lung block. So I just got the engine done. Sorry, I forgot my tripod today, so I was actually going to record the whole process, but left it at home. So pulled the engine out of the top of the car. It's just easier for me. I like it. It's a little quicker, especially because it only pays like 6 hours total. The other way people do it is they drop it out the bottom, remove the frame, but out the top just seems easier, so that's how I do it. So I'll be getting the new engine up on the cherry picker and start transferring some of the parts over and getting it all going. And voila, that was an extra quick engine built. So this one's a reman engine, so it comes with all these extra hoses. Some of the engines don't, this one does. So yeah, we just gotta transfer intake, rebuild the injectors, replace the fuel line, high pressure fuel line, and transfer the rest of it over, and it'll be able to go back in the car. I'll keep you guys updated as I go. On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. Now that's fucked up. Hole in the block, oil everywhere. 2015 Sonata turbo. So on this 15 Sonata Turbo, we do got some nice codes, history codes, knock sensor code. That already setting means it needs an engine, but of course it needs an engine. There's a hole in the block. So now I got to go through all the lovely hoops of Hyundai. Got to submit an engine worksheet and submit pictures. So let's see how long this takes for them to approve an engine for this car. Thanks for pissing on my floor.